So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting
Oh my gosh. Can it be? It's snowing. The heck? It hasn't snowed here in like 13 years.
Today we're working on George's BMW. It's not a BMW. That's a BMW. I'm talking about the Z. There you go. The fair lady. She's very fair. But we're trying to remove the intakes because we're gonna polish them up. Because you can see they look so very dull. So we're gonna try to fix that right now. You kind of got it. Almost there.
Should I take this off or what?
Probably make life easier. Yeah. Should be enough. Ta-da.
It's so dirty. Ooh, I didn't know they were Fujito.
What do you mean you didn't know that?
Because that one's different. I thought I don't know, I thought these were just like K&N or something.
Different?
Yeah, they're different. Around the funny bone.
There's a funny bone there?
I don't know, it felt weird. It's so funny.
See? Took it off. And you can see how much more shiny it is compared to this. Must get something soft. This side was decently easy to take off. This side is a different story because we can't even get to the bolts back there. So we have to take the cover off, and then take the cover off, we have to take the brace. Got the sensor off here. How dirty is it? Oh. Really? Yeah. Well, George is gonna leave the Z here. I'm gonna work on it a little bit. He'll come back later. He's going to work right now. I'm gonna take him to his house. He'll use this thing.
I will go eat something first.
Oh yeah, he wants to go eat something like a raspa or something. I would laugh if the door was still locked. Chivo cheese. I know it. I was like, you thought I was gonna get off with this camera? No. El parasol. George claims it's good, so we're gonna go inside there, but not take the camera, of course, because it's freaking huge, and we're just gonna get eyeballed, or maybe it'll get stolen. I don't know. Or picked up. Or yeah. All right, I dropped off George, and here's that. I got this like mango and chamoy dealio. It was pretty good. But now we're back home. Outside the gate. And here's the part where George has no idea what I'm about to do to his car. I don't think that's what I'm looking for. George has no idea. And look at what we got here. A Tomei shift knob, 90mm tall. George's birthday is coming up soon. I didn't think about it. He left his car here, so I was like, wait. Well, let me start. My phone notified me that the knob came in. And I didn't even plan this. I was gonna actually gift wrap it and, like, you know, give it to him on his birthday. But I got a message and George left his car here, so there's a perfect opportunity to install it. Whoops. Well, that's lost. Dropped the thing. Almost lost it. There you can see it says Tomei. Oh gosh, it's getting cold out here. Before I continue working on the intakes, I want to install this knob. This door does not stay open for anything. Okay. It's gonna get pretty cold here. Need to put on a jacket. Oh gosh, it's maybe too bright. All I need to do is, I think, twist this. Hold up, I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know why we always have to get difficult cars, but according to videos, like, this is like thread locker on here, so it's super hard to get off. Like, I can really feel that. Maybe try turning it. The whole thing will turn the shaft itself. So we have to like pop this off. It works by hand. I try not to break anything. It's not my car, although. Alright, well, I disconnected these two connections. And now I need to work on getting some vice grips on the actual shaft without destroying the shaft or anything else. This is like the most intense shift knob that I had to take off ever. I think I've only taken off two. One of my BMW, all I have to do is just pull it up. No effort. This thing is crazy. I have a vice grip. You can't see. Right there. And I'm using a channel lock with microfiber grabbing onto this bottom area and slowly twisting. I can't twist my hand yet. It's crazy how tight it is on there. Well, back to it. This is a very tiring birthday gift, George. Hope it doesn't get mad. I'm kind of destroying his old knob, but I think it's okay, you know. If you want another one, you can buy a new one, because this one, it's already pretty crappy looking. Oh, yeah, that's more grip. Alright, what I ended up doing was getting the channel lock, and there's like, right here in the bottom, it's more narrow on one side and broader over here. So I got the narrow part, gripped it, and used both hands to turn it, which made it faster and easier, but now I can finally do it by hand. Jeez. What a relief. Now, put this one on. Alright. Well, it does screw on there, so I'm happy about that. But now I can put everything back. Man, that's looking good. Tell me. Damn. It's like the exact length of the old shifter, even though it's not a ball anymore. I mean, it feels kind of better to me. I'd personally like it heavier, but I couldn't find like a heavyweight to me, and they got it to me because George seems to be like all fanboy because he wants to get an exhaust from them. So I hope he likes this gift. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? How's my baby?
She's doing fine as ever. Get in.
What the? What's this? What? Dude, what is this?
What do you think it is?
I know what it is, but where'd you get this?
Online.
But why?
Well, why? For your birthday, I guess.
Oh shit, dude, it's fucking sick, man.
I got it because it said Tommy.
It looks badass.
Yeah. That's what drained me the most.
Was it hard or what?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Hey, you ever tried taking it off my BMW?
No. Dude, this thing is so awesome. I love it.
You've done it by accident before.
On your BMW?
Yeah, you just pull it and it comes right off. This one, I had to open everything. I pulled out the dash, kind of. Well, not the dash, but like the center console.
This?
I had to get vice grips on there. Yeah, your old one is inside the little door in the front. No, the one above the screen. The door. Yeah.